Hey everyone, Win here. And I thought I would show you something really neat that I learned recently, and I thought I would pass it on. It could potentially help you with your homework. Inspire is Indiana's virtual online library, and it has all kinds of things to explore. But today I'm going to show you how you can use it for your homework for those of you in 4th grade and up. You can access Inspire through many different ways, but let me show you how you can quickly access it through our website, myfcpl.org. Under the e-resources tab, you can scroll down to Inspire database. From here, we're going to click on databases A through Z, and then we're going to scroll down to Learning Express Library. There are several different options for all different age groups, including those that speak Spanish, but we're going to take a look at School Center. Here, there are 3 options. There's high school, middle school, and elementary. We're going to take a look at elementary, but feel free to show your older siblings or even your parents the other ones, so that way they can brush up on their skills and maybe help you with your homework as well, or help themselves. Here we have 2 different options. We have math skills and language arts skills. But let's first take a look at math. So here we have 4 different options: geometry, measurement and data, number and operations and algebraic thinking. Let's take a look at the first one. Here we have different tests for different age groups. So here we have 4 for grade 4 and 4 for grade 5. We're going to take a look at this first one. This one you can take the test or print it off. If you're not already logged in, this is where you would log in, and you just need a Google account for that. But let's go ahead and hit Start Test. Here, this is going to give us a couple more options: a practice test or a learner test. Let's first take a look at the learner test. Let's hit Start. Here, this is going to give you an illustration, and then it's going to ask you your question. But let's just go ahead and click on a random question. Here's going to give you another 2 options: clear answer or check answer. So let's check answer. This is going to show that we picked the wrong one. And then it's going to show you the correct answer, which is choice A. And it's going to explain to you why that's the correct answer. And then you can also look to see all the other options and why those are correct or incorrect. Now let's take a look at the language arts. Let's go back. Here we have a couple of different options. We have informational reading, literature reading, and writing and language practice. Let's take a look at writing and language practice. We have the same thing here. We have 2 different tests for grade 4 and 2 different tests for grade 5. Let's look at this first one. Here we're going to have the same two options: practice or learner. Let's take a look at the practice test this time. Under this one, we're going to have a passage to read and some questions. Let's go ahead and just click on some random questions, and we're going to click on Score My Test. Now, I've skipped some questions here, but we're going to go ahead and click Score. Here, I got a 13%, mostly because I skipped some questions. But it's going to be able to give me recommendations and break it down. So here it's telling me to take the next test and to read 15 minutes a day. Will this give you the answers you need for your test? Probably not. But it will help you study, which could help you improve your grade.